Ned Kelly, you must swing.
If those who steal, says Kelly, are then condemned to die, well, you had better hang the government. They've stolen more than I.
They've stolen more than I. They've stolen more than I.
You had better hang the government, for
They've stolen more than I.
And so they took Ned Kelly and put him in a jail, though he fought them stallion-hearted, although in iron mail, although in iron mail,
Although in iron mail,
oh, he fought them gallant-hearted,
although in iron mail.
And no one single-handed can hope to break the bars. It's 1,000 like Ned Kelly who'll hoist the flag of stars. Who'll hoist the flag of stars. Who'll hoist the flag of stars.